when temperatures rise and the days get long. Keeping cool can be an essential part of staying focused on the job at hand. For members of the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, or HVAC flight, their job is to make sure everyone stays cool as the summer heat wave begins to take its toll.
So we maintain about roughly 600, 700 units, including AC units and heating units with the boilers. We have several that are mission critical. They have to be running. Our Intel building, server rooms, we have to keep the AC units of those running. Even our Intel buildings on the flight line, we have to keep those server rooms cool.
Mission critical units are just one way to prioritize the many jobs that come their way.